dreams whispering in the wind. It was such a calm moment, it left me speechless. Oh, the most beautiful fireworks light up the sky. The colorful dance is so beautiful that it makes me want to fly. In the midst of darkness, they paint a bright light. The most beautiful fireworks lighting up the night. Each evokes a symphony, an untold story, a glimpse of magic in bold colors. They shimmer and fade like moments in the past. The memory of their brilliance will last forever. Oh, the most beautiful fireworks light up the sky. The colorful dance is so beautiful that it makes me want to fly. In the midst of darkness, they paint a bright light. The most beautiful fireworks lighting up the night. When the world seems dark and cold, remember the light in the silence, cutting through the night. Even though their life is only for a moment, the beauty